will be showing you how to make a beautiful pillow using, ta-da, the Dollar Tree placemats. I have been doing a lot of things with these placemats. One of the things that I have made is a COVID-19 face mask using things from the dollar store, and also I have made me a matching hat to go with it. There's other things that I have made also using the dollar store towels. I have made me a pajama set. I will post a picture of how the pajama set looked, but I made me a cute little pajama set using the dollar store kitchen towels. I made this pajama set using, ta-da, Dollar Tree kitchen towels. So guys, today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful pillow using the Dollar Tree placemats, okay? Okay guys, the first thing you want to do to make your pillow using the placemats is you want to go towards the seam of the end of the mat, okay? And you want to start picking away at the seam of the mat, okay? Can you see that? I'm picking the seam. And once you get a few of those, you know, picked out, the mat is going to open up, okay? The mat is going to open up. So you can either tear it or, you know, really you could pull it and just open it up a little bit. It's very easy. Okay, now we opened it up, right? Once you open it up, what I use to make my pillows is an old bed pillow. You know, the stuffing is ideal for this. So I just take some stuffing from an old bed pillow. You open your mat up and you stuff. Now, guys, if you want a bigger pillow, only thing you have to do is separate the mat, sew two ends together, and you can have a bigger pillow. There's a lot of things that I have to show you guys. There's a lot of things that I want to show you, that when you have things around your home, don't just throw everything away. I'm going to show you what I use for a bathtub tray as well. You don't have to clutter your home. A lot of things stand in for other things. So it's up to you on how much you want your pillow to be stuffed. It's up to you. But here we are. Now I got the pillow stuffed, okay? The pillow is stuffed. So now what you want to do is just close the seam up over here, okay? So you want to put it back together like this. For all of you who are not sewers, then you can just use a hot glue gun, or you can just use needle and thread and sew it through the center. And there you are. Very easy, very simple quilt to make.